Hi everyone, it's Donna from Hollywood, California. It's not just paint, it's art by Donna. And this is hopefully going to be one of the last days using up these paints. If not, I promise you I will go on to other colors. But actually it's been fun. I like to finish up my paints if I can. So I saw Fiona, I think it was yesterday. It might have been yesterday's video. I'm trying to catch up with watching everybody's videos. And she used a colander. She used it upside down. And I actually have a little colander here somewhere, but at the moment I cannot find it. So I'm going to use one of these little strainers, and I'm going to try it upside down. Instead of the way that they do it this way, I'm going to try it this way. And I'm going to think it's like a little weird anyway to do it this way, but I'm going to try it. And just to see that my everything is level here. I have my little leveler out. And now that, oh, here we go. Okay, so I am level. And I have my spinner out just in case. And I even have a napkin out in case I want to use a napkin. I have, where are my, I have my skewers in case I want to use some skewers. And I have my little syringe here that I pick up from the middle. That's what I use also. So I have all my stuff out. And if I decide to use a flow extender, I'm going to use the rose gold that I had mixed from my pour from my seahorse. So without further ado, this is what I'm going to start out with. And I think I'm going to start with some of this blue. And I guess I could start out with the lighter blue. Not exactly sure how this is going to be working, so first time I'm doing anything like this. And then I'll put some of the darker. Figured I would go light to dark. And at some point I will speed this up for you. Maybe I'll put a little drop of white in between. And here's the Prussian blue from Arteza. Whoop. Actually didn't want to put that much. And here's some gold. And these are the golds. You will find all the colors, because these were all specialty mixes. And you'll find them all down below. And let's see. Well, I was going to use the rose, but I think I'll just put my white around. liking that, just the way it is. Just gonna move that out of the way. Yeah, I think that looks quite pretty with the gold and the blues. Not quite in the middle. Maybe a little bit over the drop more. There we go. So if you could let me know what you think in the comments below, I would appreciate that. I'm happy with the way it is right now. Getting some nice lacing in there. I got some nice lacing. I got a few cells popping up. Yeah, I didn't want to, not a perfect flower, but from a, from one of these little strainers. I think it's pretty cool. Not bad from a strainer. So yeah, this is Donna from Hollywood, California. Thank you for coming today. I really appreciate it. It's a poor day. I'll take you in for a close-up. This really looks quite lovely. And I'll see you tomorrow. Have a great night, a great day. Give me a thumbs up if you think I deserve it. And thank you for coming. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye now.